Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the blush effect in the Face app in 2026. Do you want a fresh and glowing look? Adding blush in the Face app can give your face a natural boost. So let's see exactly how by following these few simple steps. Now before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Face app application. You're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna look for the Face app Perfect Face Editor application. Once you find it, it's the one developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. You're gonna install the application, and once you install the application, you're gonna open it, click on open to launch the application. From there, you're gonna make sure to grant the application the camera access and the gallery access. And once you do that, you're gonna upload the picture. Then, once you upload the picture, you're gonna see a toolbar in the bottom. You're gonna choose upload your photo by choosing the makeup section. You're gonna choose the makeup section, and from these makeup styles, as you can see, you have the makeup, the winged eyeliner, the contouring, etc. You're gonna choose the blush effects. Now you're gonna have to pay for the premium version to have access to this effect right here. Once you do that, you're gonna apply and adjust the intensity in your picture. Then you're gonna save the result. You can use light brush for natural results, match tones with your skin, and avoid overdoing it. Now blush adds warmth and life to your face, so use the Face app to get the perfect glow. And if you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.